Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best mechanic flashlights on Amazon. Most modern flashlights are compact enough to fit in your pocket and are bright enough to help you see everything under your car's hood. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Streamlight Stylus Pro Rechargeable Pen Light. The Streamlight Stylus Pro is as large as an average pen and is just about as light, so it is simple to carry around. It's a sturdy little flashlight designed with a strong aluminum casing to withstand drops and dings. One of its best features is its ability to be recharged. It has a handy USB charging port for easy and quick charging. It also comes with a pocket clip and holster, so you can reach it quickly and keep it handy at all times. It's bright and efficient even for its small size. You may find an issue with the on-off switch, as there have been complaints about it not working properly or being too difficult to press. The holster isn't the most durable, and the seams come apart if you attach it to a thicker belt. Number 2. Coast G20 Inspection LED Flashlight. Looking at the small size and the price, you are likely to underestimate the Coast G20, but it's a handy item for illuminating tight spaces. It emits a uniform, narrow inspection beam to help you see every detail of hard-to-reach areas. When it comes to the design, it features a durable aluminum body that's IPX4 rated for water resistance and can survive a 3.3-foot drop. Also, it can illuminate a 65-foot beam distance. It has an ergonomic rear switch system, and you can secure it in your pocket with the help of its adjustable clip for the next time you need to use it. In addition, it runs on 2 AAA alkaline batteries, which provide a 2.5-hour runtime. Also, you have several colors to choose from, including red, blue, and green. There are a few drawbacks to this model. First, it isn't rechargeable, and you have to keep replacing the batteries if you have to use it for more than an hour daily. Also, at times, the power button may jam. Moreover, despite the aluminum construction, the body and lens can still get damaged if it's dropped. Number 3. Streamlight Stinger LED Flashlight. A staggering 50,000 hours of runtime is what you get from this compact flashlight. Therefore, it's not only good for mechanics, but also for outdoor enthusiasts. Its long lifespan is exceeded only by its durable construction made from anodized aluminum with a rubberized grip. The lens is made from polycarbonate with a scratch-resistant coating. It's IPX4 rated for water resistance and can survive a 3.3-foot drop. It can also survive extreme temperature changes, being mishandled, or being left on ice. Using C4 LED technology, it emits a brilliant light with 3 intensity modes. High produces 800 lumens for 1.5 hours, medium operates at 400 lumens for 2.5 hours, and low produces 200 lumens for 5 hours. Number 4. Soonfire LED Rechargeable Flashlight. While this flashlight may appear to be quite large, it is compact enough to be held in the palm. It can be recharged through its micro USB port and comes with a cable to do just that. The flashlight includes 5 modes, and you can choose from high, medium, low, moonlight, and strobe settings, making it more functional than just a mechanical flashlight. It's constructed out of an aero-grade aluminum that is also waterproof and submersible to up to 2 meters. The flashlight is a bit more expensive than a few of our other choices, but it isn't all that pricey when you consider what you get. There have also been complaints about the size and stiffness of the on-off switch. Number 5. Infra Lead Pen Light Flashlight. Nobody wants to be burdened with a heavy flashlight, especially when you need to use it for a long time. It has a slim profile that's only 5.7 inches long. It's made from an anodized aircraft-grade aluminum construction with a scratch-resistant polycarbonate lens. The unit offers 3 light modes: high, medium, and low. On the high setting, it emits 220 lumens of light, which is enough to cover 230 feet for 7 hours. On the low setting, it can run for 14 hours. You can zoom the beam for more focus or to increase the length of the light. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.